Hi again, it's Ingolf from Isolation Chef, and we're still in the community garden if you've seen our other previous editions. And today's topic is about mental well-being in conjunction with socialising and breaking bread and sharing good conversations with friends and community. So due to my title, Isolation Chef, we've gone through COVID. And a lot of people have been obviously isolated. As that's now settling down, thankfully, we can now start enjoying again and getting out of our lounge rooms, away from our TVs, and just enjoying company again with friends and family and colleagues. And it doesn't really matter. You can bring all groups together. You can do it with your neighbours. But the big emphasis on all of this, what I'm doing, is good food, good eating, being with nature, hence our surroundings, and just sharing not only the food that's been prepared today, but just sharing experiences and getting to know people a lot better, and that has been scientifically proven to actually assist after trauma and stress and that we all go through on occasions. And so what I've done today is just didn't go to a lot of expense, but I'm a chef. I made it look a bit prettier, but if you put some effort into it, one of the ideas of eating is optical. You eat with your eyes first, then you taste it. And so what I've done is invited a few of my colleagues here this afternoon, and just to enjoy an afternoon that we normally wouldn't do. It's just something that we're all busy racing home, got to feed the dog, feed the kids. I think if you take out 15 minutes, half an hour, it doesn't matter who you are, where you are, and if you do that at least once a week, write back to me and tell me if it doesn't work. So so on that note, I'm going to invite everybody to enjoy their food and what I've prepared today, and we shall see you on another episode very, very soon. Thank you.